Hello friends, in this video I am going to show you how you can review your Android Studio code. So there is two way you can review it. One is through command and the other one is through code analyzer. So I will first show you through code analyzer. So you can select the class which you want to review. So I will select this second class, second.java, and I will right click it and I will go to analyze and inspect code, and you can select the module also. I have just selected the class and I will do analyze. So you can see here it is showing like there is warning. So if there is error also it will show. So warning, I will show you how you can do it. So you can see here typo, there is some typo mistake in the app, so it will not show the error. Like if your app is working also, like you are able to build the app, then also it will show. So here you can see here in typo word forward. So here you can see here that spelling mistake is there. Word I will make it as a forward. So you can see here it went. So here also I can change, I will change it here forward. So it went. So but because of that I have used it, the error is showing. So you have to do changes in everywhere in the code. So I will revert my changes because that error was showing. Yeah, so this is typo error, and you can see the other error also like security. Here I will just go, you can see here webview greetings.java. So it is showing provide feedback for this warning. So you can suppress this, like you can remove your error based on the error what it is showing. So you can see here there is some other warning here. So here this will show if unwanted if statement it is showing. So you, if you will click here, so it will remove that, it removed it. So this you can find it many error and warning. So it is showing, this is through code analyzer, and you can make the changes according to the error and warning it is showing. So one more thing you can do is you can select the app also, and you can do inspect code. So you can select the whole project module whatever you want to this, and I'll just show you from the terminal also. So there is an error, it will show here, you can see here gradle. So for that you will have to run the command dot slash lint. So gradle dot slash gradle slash lint. So this is the command you have to run. So it will show the what is the error in your app. So you can see here this will run in the your whole project. So there is, it build failed because there was some error in the code itself. So here it is showing, you can see here, I will just click it here. You can see here in there is one error in manifest in constant layout, that layout tag I have not given. So I'll just add the layout tag so that this error will be removed. Yes, you can see here I have added it and that error is removed. And when I will try again, so the same code. So yeah, now it is showing the different error. You can see here it is showing the different error, like it is there in the different page. So one by one you can remove it, and it will take you to the next error page. So and one more thing I want to show you, like if I will run the, there is a small project I will run. So if I will run the same command gradle build, so this project is running successfully and it is showing warning actually. You can see here 14 issue found in the debug and 14 issue found in the release, and here it is showing in HTML page also, and it is showing in the XML page. So I'll just open it. So I will open the HTML first. So I just clicked it and it opened that page. So you can see here it is showing the error like target SDK not targeting to the latest version. So target SDK you can make it as 33, 34, 35, and here you can see it is not using the latest version. New version of Android app compact is available. So it will show the latest which you are using and which is available latest one. This is the warning, and you can see here JUnit result dynamic version. So if I will go down, you can see here there are unused resource. So this is not used, and hard coded text camera. You can see here in activity main. So if I will go to the app in activity main camera, you can see here it is showing that warning here also, and here also it is showing that camera thing camera. So if you will rename directly fetch from r.string, it will not show. Yeah, one more thing I want to show you is, so this is I opened through HTML page. You can see here all the error, and you can also open in XML page also. So I'll click XML. This XML file you can see here. I have opened this, and it will open in Android Studio only. And here also it will mention the issue. ID is the actual issue. Old target API is there, and it will show you the message also, not targeting to the latest version. You can read the whole thing. And here is the Gradle dependency issue name is there, and you can see here. I'll go down. Allow backup warning on SDK version 23 up to your app will be automatically backed up resources app install. So hard coded text, you can see here that camera text we used here, it is showing. So you have to use at the rate string and the resource, so that, so based on your requirement you can do this or you can leave also. Like, it is not compulsory, but it is better if you use follow this step. So this is all about this video. Thank you for watching.